Looking for some healthy treats for your pup?
How about a cute hat to keep them warm in the winter? Well, we've got a spot you're going to want to check out.
It's called the Barkery, and it's in Middletown. Melissa Cole went for a visit, and she met some very special workers who run the shop. Take a look.
We have micro minis, tiny treats, and 12 packs.
For the bigger dogs.
For the bigger dogs, of course.
Welcome to the Barkery in Middletown. All of these yummy treats are made, packaged, and sold by Ricky and his friends. They're students of Edelbrook, a 120-year-old nonprofit organization that provides services for children and young adults with developmental and behavioral challenges.
Our students are students with a range of neurodevelopmental, behavioral challenges, and primarily autism spectrum disorders. The Barkery is one example of a really innovative and creative program that we provide to help young people transition into adulthood, get some vocational skills, and really move towards work and independence.
So this is now coming up on the 3rd year anniversary.
Yeah.
And can you kind of believe how it's taken off and grown?
It is fantastic, and it's amazing. It's a great work opportunity. That's really what it started out as, but it's also turned into a thriving business.
The students learn all kinds of employment skills, baking of course, but also dealing with customers and handling money. All real-world skills they can use as they enter the workforce.
Sweet potato snaps, peanut puppers, oatmeal pumpkins, awesome peanut applesauce, and apple cinnamon crisps. And lucky enough, apple cinnamon crisps this week is our treat of the week this week.
So tell me, how did that start, Treat of the Week?
Well, I came with the idea, funny enough, one day and just kind of rolled with it.
Do you feel like there's one flavor that is the most popular?
Well, that's peanut puppers, of course.
Lucky for me, the Barkery's manager Jenny takes me into the kitchen to help make a batch.
Jenny, tell us who we have here.
We have Mr. Omari with us today.
Hello. And we're going to be making some treats.
We sure are. We're going to be making peanutty pupper puzzle pieces,
right.
which is our signature treat. All right, Omari, would you like to get the milk?
Yes.
Go right ahead. So, Miss Melissa, we have recipes written in both pictures and in words so that everybody, no matter what your reading level is able to follow our recipes.
We blend all of the ingredients in the mixer, and then the fun part.
Omari, you're really good at that.
Omari's probably made at least 80% of the treats on the show.
Really?
We use special rolling pins, and when the red ring touches the table, we have the right thickness. Then we stamp them out with puzzle piece cookie cutters, a symbol of autism awareness. Into the oven they go, and while they bake, the kitchen smells amazing. But even more amazing, these pup cakes. Yup, cupcakes for your pup. Aiden makes the frosting and then carefully pipes it on top.
So don't forget that dog treat, the crunch on top. Put it on top. And then one on top. There we go, and that's it.
Looks so good. Any dog would love to eat that.
Yep.
Aside from treats, there are lots of locally made goods like these super soft dog beds, hats, even bow ties.
What's your favorite thing about working here?
Well, I just love it because I like to see people happy in life. I like to see people who love their dogs enjoy stuff like this.
That's nice.
It makes me happy. It makes me glad that I work for a good school and a good community here. So come on down, please.
What a wonderful thing all the way around.
Program.
Great program, great place.
All right, for more information, just go to betterct.com. We're going to put a link up to the direct, that'll direct you right to their page.